Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use less memory on CapCut PC. So you can, like, after you've exported like videos or if you've imported videos or are there any medias like so, you can right click and delete all, like select everything and delete it. You can also go to menu and go back to homepage. Oh my god, it got moved to my other screen. But you can also select the settings tab, go to settings again. Under the cache size, you're just going to delete it. It's just going to delete effects and like filters that you've downloaded. You just need to download them again. It won't delete like your projects or stuff like that. Can also automatically delete them from like 15 days ago and stuff like that. And you're also going to make sure the folder you've saved everything in isn't like full. Then press save, and that's pretty much how you can use less storage on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.